Remember, it's not you, it's the makeup influencers. I'm gonna show you how to get this smoky eye in a few easy steps. No matter if you have hooded eyes, droopy eyes, big eyes, whatever kind of eyes, you wanna prep and set your eyelid. This is gonna make the eyeshadow go on much smoother and it's gonna last all day and night. You only need a couple brushes for a smoky eye. We're gonna use all mattes for this look. Start with your eyes open. This way you know how high to bring your eyeshadow. And you're just gonna go back and forth kind of in a rainbow shape. Once you complete that, you're gonna bring the end of the eyeshadow to your upper lash line. So you can either, sometimes people call it an outer V or like a C shape, whatever. It's gonna be kind of just going like back and forth like this. You can use the same brush and go in with a darker eyeshadow. Make sure you tap it off. That way you won't ruin your makeup. We're gonna start halfway, you'll see why. Now gently do the same thing, but in your crease. It's okay if you go a little bit past halfway while you're blending out. Then you're gonna do the same thing and connect it to the upper lash line. Don't worry about this part being messy. You'll see how we clean it up at the end. Then go in with a smaller brush that's not as fluffy. See how this is almost flat, but it still has a little bit of fluff? This is the 201 brush by Toolbox Beauty. I find this one really great for small and hooded eyes. So then we're gonna go in with our black. Don't be scared. Definitely tap this off. Start 3/4 of the way out, so just past halfway. And we're gonna do the same thing, but just a touch lower. Are you starting to get the pattern? And then build it up to however dark or intense you want it. I recommend opening your eyes so you know how high you're going, because that's how you're gonna be able to see your eyeshadow normally with your eyes open. Since we're not gonna be doing false lashes, don't bring it out past your eyebrow. Otherwise, you're gonna be giving black eye instead of smoky eye. Now go in with a flat brush and a lighter color. We're gonna keep this towards the inner quarter and only go halfway. Since I have hooded eyes, I like bringing it up a little bit higher so you can see it when I open my eyes because it actually makes my eyes bigger. I'm going back in with the fluffy brush, but not putting any extra eyeshadow on it, just what's left over to blend the lighter shade together. If you need to add more brown, that's fine too. For a smoky eye, you wanna tight line the upper lash line and lower waterline. To complete a smoky eye, you have to do the lower lash line. Now go in with the light brown color and use a really small pencil brush. When you're holding your mirror, make sure you're holding it up so you can look into the mirror. That way you can see exactly where you're putting the eyeshadow and it gives you more space. And connect it right into the corner. Now do the same thing with the darker brown, but we're gonna keep it on the outer half. And then you can add a touch of black if you'd like and keep it right on the outer edge. Now to clean everything up, just grab some micellar water and a Q-tip, or you can just use regular water. And I wanna make this line a little sharper. So I'm just cleaning up the eyeshadow. This will also create a lifted effect. Clean up any fallout as well. You'd be surprised how much eyeshadow you find under your eye. I'm hydrating my under eye since we did some powder on. This is why I normally do my foundation after I do my eyeshadow. Just let that sit in for a sec. Add some concealer. You wanna make sure the under eye is bright with a smoky eye. Curling your lashes is a must. Go in with some mascara. Now you have a gorgeous smoky eye look that you can actually achieve. What tips are you taking away from this eyeshadow tutorial? Let me know in the comments. If you like this tutorial, make sure to save it and check out my other eyeshadow tutorials. And don't forget to follow.